How to stop Roblox crashing? For this first, we need to open up the task manager and check the Roblox is running in background or not. If it's running in background means we need to end the task completely, scroll down and search it and end the task. Once complete after, close it and restart your PC. After restart, open and check. If the issue still remains, then go with next step. Search for control panel, click it and click view by category. Click network and internet settings, click network and sharing center, click change adapter settings. In this, if you are using Ethernet, go with Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. Right click it and disable it, and 5 to 10 seconds after, again right click it and enable it. Once complete after, close it, and the next step, go to settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down and click graphic settings. This you need to check for Roblox. If Roblox available means make sure the GPU performance it depends on you. You can set high performance or else let Windows decide. And optimization of the game should be in turn on mode. If the option itself not having means you need to scroll down and click add desktop app and browse it. For easy method, open file location of the Roblox and copy the address in the top side and come back and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Once you getting the application means you need to select it and add it. After adding, you can set the GPU performance and optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. After completing, close it and check it. And the next step, search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage and click OK. And scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it and click the log folder and delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Come back and delete the temp capture storage folder and delete the files inside the temp capture storage. Once complete after, close it, and now you can open the Roblox and check. Thank you.